Welcome to Tumal online classes. So see students, today we are going to discuss some integrals of some particular functions. So we are already discussed about of the 6 types. So see, the next one is the 7th type. So what is the 7th type is? To find the integral of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. So these type of integrals, how to solve? See that one, this type of integrals, how to solve this one. So start that one. These type of integrals, first you have to simplify this. Ax square plus bx plus c. So this value you have to simplify first. What we will do that one? First I will take the a common, x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. Just I am taking the a common. So then what happens? A into x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. So next you can see here a into x square plus I am dividing and multiplying with 2 and I am writing like this one, 2x into b by 2a plus c by a. So what I am did that one? Just multiply and divide with 2. So why I am did that one? That is a into is in the form of a square plus 2ab form. A square plus 2ab form. So that's why I have multiplied and divided with 2. So it is if it is a square, then it will become 2ab. So what is the b value here? B value is b by 2a. So if you want to get that a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, you need to add b square. So what I will add? X square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus I will add b square. What is the b square? Is b by 2a whole square, and I am added and I will subtract the same term, that is the b by 2a whole square plus c by a. So what I am added? B by 2a whole square is added and b by 2a is subtracted. Observe these 3 terms. What is this? This is nothing but a into a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is nothing but a plus b whole square. What is the a value? A value is x. And what is the b value? B value is nothing but b by 2a whole square, x plus b by 2a whole square, minus what is this? b square by 4a square plus c by a. So this value you can written as a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a minus b square by 4a square. So this ax square plus bx plus c I am converted into the form of a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a minus b square by 4a square. After then take this value as a t. So what I will take that? Put x plus b by 2a is equal to t. So what happens? Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. What happens? Dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt. And also take this value. Put c by a minus b square by 4a square is equal to plus or minus k square. So I don't know what is this value is. Okay, so that value I am taking it as a plus or minus a k square. It is a plus or minus, I don't know. So that's why I am taking as a plus or minus k square. Then what is the problem is converted here? Take the problem. What is that? Let I is equal to integral dx by ax square plus bx plus c is convert into the form of integral of what is that value? It value will become dx by a into x plus b by 2a whole square minus, that is the plus, c by a minus b square by 4a square. So this integral is converting into this form. So what we will do that one, that is equal to, take this 1 by a out, 1 by a into integral of dt by dx value will become dt, and this value is a t square, and this value is a plus or minus k square, So what you are observed here, students, so the given problem is dx by ax square plus bx plus c. I am converted into this form, 1 by a into integral of dt by t square plus or minus k square. So what is this form? This form I am already given 3 formulas. What is that? Integral of 1 by x square minus a square, integral 1 by x square plus a square, integral 1 by a square minus x square. So I am given 3 formulas. That meaning is, if you do this process, automatically it will converts into, you know the one, that is the formulas, automatically it will convert into that form. So what is that form says? It will be converts into any one form, that is nothing but it is in the form of any one form. It is in the form of, what is that? Integral of 1 by x square minus a square, or integral of dx by x square plus a square, or integral dx by a square minus x square. So this problem is converted into any one model, in this model. Then automatically you know the formula, you will apply that formula. So see that model, students, once again. So any problem is in this model, dx by ax square plus bx plus c, integral of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. So what you have to take that? First we have to convert this term, ax square plus bx plus c. So how to convert that one? Just take that a value first, common, the x square coefficient, take the common. Next, see the x coefficient. What is the x coefficient? Is b by a. So multiply and divide with 2. X coefficient, multiply and divide with 2. Or understand that 2x into b by 2a. Then you can understand that this value is 2x into that value is a b. This value is a b. This value is a b. Or understand that a square plus 2ab plus c by a. Or understand that. So for this one, you want to add one term. What is that? That is the b square. What is the b value? B value is b by 2a. So you have to add b square value. What is the b square value? Is b by 2a whole square. Take the square and subtract the square also. So observe the first 3 terms. What is this? This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square form is here. So that is nothing but x plus b by 2a whole square. And this value is nothing but c by a minus b square by 4a square. And take this value as a t. X plus b by 2a is equal to t. And this value you can take it as a plus or minus k square. Why? Because you don't know what is this is a plus or minus. Okay, so that's why I am taken as a plus or minus k square. So if you can substitute in the given integration, I is equal to integral of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. So what is that? This value, if you can take the a common, it will become dx by x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a minus b square by 4a square. And take this a out, then automatically the problem is converted into the form of dt by t square plus or minus k square. T square plus or minus k square. So that means it is in the form of, this integration is in the form of dx by x square minus a square, or dx by x square plus a square, or dx by a square minus x square. Or understand that? So the problem is converted into this model, then automatically you know the formulas, then you can apply the formula, you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the model. Okay, see the next model, same model is that. So what is that one is, see the same model, what I will do that is nothing but to find the integral of dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Problem is same, but in the denominator you will get the root. The process is the same process. What you have to take that under root value, you have to take that value and simplify that, you will get this value. Then I is equal to, what is the I value? Here only the change is you have to get square root, and also you have to get here also the square root. So this value is the square root and this value is also square root. So automatically this is in the form of, I am given another three formulas. What is that? Integral dx by root of x square minus a square, or dx by root of x square plus a square, or dx by root of a square minus x square. So if it is dx by a square plus x square, it will convert into the first three models. If it is dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c, then the problem will convert into next three models. What is that? Integral of dx by root of x square minus a square, or integral dx by root of a square minus x square, or integral dx by root of x square plus a square. Any one model. Already you know the formulas of these three, then you can apply the same formula. I understand that? So the two problems are same, only the difference is here. If the root is not given, so it will convert into the form of dx by x square plus a square, or x square minus a square, or a square minus x square. If the root is given, then the problem is converted into the form of dx by integral dx by root of a square minus x square, or integral root of x square plus a square, or a square minus x square, integral dx by root of a square minus x square. Then you can apply the formula. So these are two models. Okay, so first one is integral of dx by ax square plus bx plus c, and the second one is dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so these two models, understand that. And see the next model is, see the next model. What is the next model is, see the model number 9. So to find the integral, of dx by px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, where p comma q comma r are constants. Real constants. So these type of problems, integral of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So these type of models, how to solve that? So these type of models, you have to see that one. First you have to take first we write px plus q is equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So the numerator I am converting depending upon the denominators. So px plus q we will change in this model. So how to change that one? So see that one, that is equal to, that implies px plus q is equal to a into derivative of ax square is nothing but the 2ax plus derivative of bx is a b into x derivative is 1 plus c constant is 0 plus b. So that implies px plus q is equal to, multiply that, 2 into ax into a plus b a plus b. So here we have to calculate the values of a and b values. So first I will compare the x coefficient. Compare the x coefficients. What is the x coefficients on the both the sides? See students, what is the x coefficient is here? P. So what is the x coefficient on here? 2a into a. So that is nothing but the 2a. So that implies a is equal to, what is the a value? A value will become p by 2a. A value will become p by 2a. Similarly, I will take that, compare the constants. Compare the constants also. Compare the constants. What is the constants are here? Constant value is a q. So in this side the constant is ba plus b. I need b value. So that implies b is equal to q minus ba. So that is equal to, b is equal to q minus, what is the b into, what is the a value? P by 2a. Substitute that value here. That is the p by 2a. So that meaning is b is equal to q minus bp by 2a. q is equal to bp by b minus q minus bp by 2a. Therefore px plus q can be written as, what is the px plus q? See this one students, see this value, a into 2ax plus b. So this is the px plus q you can written in this form. When that implies px plus q is equal to, what is the a value? A value is nothing but p by 2a into 2ax plus b plus q value. What is the b value? B value is nothing but the q minus bp by 2a. So what is the px plus q? Px plus q is converted into the form of p by 2a plus 2ax plus b plus q minus bp by 2a. If you simplify this, you will get this value once again. Are understanding that? This px plus q I am written in this model. Sir, why you are written in this model? So see this one. Let I is equal to, what is the I value? I value is nothing but integral of px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So this problem is converted into px plus q is this value. So that is nothing but p by 2a into 2ax plus b plus q minus bp by 2a whole by root is not there. So that is the ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So what we will do that one, we will separate these values here. See that it will convert into the form of p by 2a integral of 2ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c into dx plus q minus bp by 2a integral of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So this problem I am converting to this model. So sir, how to solve this one? Already I am given this formula, integral of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. Already you know this one. Yes or no? Already, and evaluate. And also here this is the form. What we will get, that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to t. 2ax plus b is the derivative of that term. The derivative of ax square plus bx plus c derivative is 2ax plus b. Yes or no? So automatically, if you can take this value as a t, this total term will become dt. So that is the problem will become, it will become integral of 1 by t. Integral of 1 by t is nothing but log of mod ax square plus bx plus c. Or understand that? So automatically we can calculate in this model. So see that model, students, once again. So if the px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c model is given, what we have to take first? Take that px plus q is equal to, first we have to convert this numerator px plus q in the form of the denominators. So px plus q you have to take in as a into derivative of the denominator ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So just to differentiate the terms, I need a value and b value. I need a value and b value. So take the coefficients of x on the both the sides. What is the coefficients of x? That is the 2ax is equal to p. That is the 2a into a, that is equal to p. A value is a p by 2a. P by 2a. Similarly, compare the constants also. What is the constants? Is the q is equal to, what is the constant on this side is ba plus p. So I need a b value. B value is nothing but q minus ba. What is the a value? A value is nothing but the p by 2a. Just replace the values. So b is equal to q minus bp by 2a. bp by 2a. So this a and b values, if you can substitute here, so px plus q is equal to, if you can simplify this, you will get this value. Or understand that? That meaning is px plus q I am written in this model. Sir, why you are written in this model? Why? Because understand this one. So first, in the place of px plus q, write down this one and separate the terms. After then, what we will take, that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to t. Automatically this total numerator will become dt. So integral of 1 by t. Integral of 1 by t is nothing but log mod t. So log of mod ax square plus bx plus c. Already you know this form in the 7th one. This is the 7th one. Yes or no? So we will calculate from here. We will calculate, evaluate the integrals from here. Okay. So see the next model also, one more model is there. So what is that model is? That model is nothing but to find the integral is of the form px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So how to solve these type of problems? Okay. So same model. So just what is the difference is, in the previous one and this one is only under root value is there. In the denominator you will get the under root. So what is the remaining procedure? The same. First what we will take, that px plus q is equal to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. First we will compare the terms. We will calculate a value and b value and then substitute here. So let I is equal to, what we will take, I is equal to px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Next, so here also you will get the under root value. Here also you will get the under root value. So in this one, what we will take, similarly same model, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to t. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to t. 2ax plus b into dx value is dt. 1 by root t. What is the 1 by root t? 1 by root t is nothing but the 2 root t. 1 by root t, integral of 1 by root t is nothing but a 2 root t. So 2 into root ax square plus bx plus c. What is this value? This value is, already I am given that. What is the method is? Method number 8. That is to find the integral of dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c. I am already given the 8th one. So what is the difference between these two is only the under root value. So the problem is the same. Okay, so see these the model students. So 7, 8 both are same. So what is the seventh one is dx by ax square plus bx plus c. First you have to simplify that ax square plus bx plus c, then you can apply the integrations. Okay, so automatically it will convert into the form of any one form of dx by x square plus a square, or x square minus a square, or a square minus x square. Then you can integrate that term. Similarly, what is the eighth one is dx by integral dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Integral dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c. So what is the term is, if you can do the same model, at the end you will get the form of dx by root of x square minus a square, or dx by integral dx by root of a square minus x square, or integral dx by root of x square plus a square. Then automatically you can apply the known formulas. Okay, so the next model is that is that we have to get that problem number 9, that is the model number 9. So what is that model number 9 is px plus q by integral of px plus q by root of the ax square plus bx plus c. Integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. So in that model what we have to take that px plus q is equal to a into derivative of the denominator ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Just differentiate and take the coefficients, compare the coefficients, compare the coefficients of x and take the constants. You will get the a value and b value. That means you have to find out these two values. After find out these two values, take the px plus q and substitute in the given integration and separate the terms. Then the problem is converted into two parts. So the first part you will get that. So it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x, or it is in the form of f dash of x by root f of x. Two models it will be converted. So this model you will get that 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c, we are given in the model number 8. Otherwise it will be converted into the form of integral of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, that is the model number 7. So it is converted into any one model. So then automatically you can integrate that problems. Okay, so see these are 10 problems. We are going to start the exercise. You can understand that by starting the problems you can understand that formulas easily. Okay, so see that one. So see students, some important formulas I am giving once again. So what is that formulas are? So see these two formulas. Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. So what is that value? That value it will become log mod f of x plus c. Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. And also see students, integral of f dash of x by integral of f dash of x by root f of x. Integral of f dash of x by root f of x, that is nothing but 2 into root f of x plus c. 2 into root f of x plus c. So see these are two questions students. Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. F dash of x by f of x into dx. That meaning is the derivative of this function is in the numerator. The derivative of this function is in the numerator. That type of problem it will become log mod f of x. So root f of x, the derivative of f of x is in the numerator. The derivative of f of x is in the numerator. Then it will become 2 root f of x, 2 root f of x. Okay. So see that one. See the example for this. Integral of 1 by x into dx. See the example for this. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is 1. Yes or no? So what is this form? F dash of x by f of x. F dash of x by f of x into dx. So automatically what is the answer is log mod f of x. That is mod x please. I understand that. So see this. Integral of 1 by root x into dx. Integral of 1 by root x into dx. What is the x derivative? X derivative is 1. Yes or no? So that meaning is it is in the form of integral of f dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x. So what is the answer is? It is nothing but the 2 root x plus c. That meaning is 2 root f of x plus c. So this formula's extension is that one. Are you understand that? So this formula you can understand from this one. Okay. So f dash of x by root f of x, integral of f dash of x by root f of x into dx is equal to 2 root f of x. F dash of x by f of x into dx, it will become log mod f of x plus c. Okay. So see students, see that questions. So we'll start the exercise. You can understand that. So see the exercise 7.4. See the exercise 7.4. See the exercise 7.4. So see students, first question, what is the question number 1? So see the question number 1. Integral of 3x square by x power 6 plus 1 into dx. Integral of 3x square by x power 6 plus 1 into dx. X power 6 plus 1 into dx. So see students, so what is the solution for this? So in the numerator he has a 3x square. What is this 3x square? 3x square is nothing but the derivative of x cube. Yes or no? It is the derivative of x cube. Yes or no? So that meaning is, I will take that. Put x cube is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. What happens? X cube derivative is 3x square into dx is equal to dt. 3x square into dx, 3x square into dx value, it will become dt. So let I is equal to, take the problem as I is equal to integral 3x square by x power 6 plus 1 into dx. So what is this problem? This problem is converted into the form of integral of this one. You can written in this model. See this one, 3x square by x power 6 you can written as x cube whole square. Yes or no? X power 6 you can written as x cube whole square plus 1 into dx. So that meaning is, the problem is converted into the form of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. 3x square into dx value is dt. Yes or no? 1 by 1 plus x cube. X cube is t. So the problem is converted into the form of integral of 1 by 1 plus t square. So already you know that. What is that? Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is nothing but, what is that? Tan inverse x plus c. Tan inverse x plus c. So the problem will become tan inverse t plus c. That is equal to tan inverse. What is the t value? T value is nothing but x cube. So that is nothing but x cube plus c. So see students. So first what we have to understand that x power 6 I can return x cube whole square. X cube whole square. And x cube derivative is 3x square. And x cube derivative is 3x square. So first I am taken x cube is equal to t. 3x square into dx value will become dt. So take the problem as I. This x power 6 you can written as x cube whole square. So this x cube is a t and 3x square into dx is a dt. So the problem will become integral of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. So it is in the form of integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Formula is tan inverse x plus c. Just apply the t value. What is the t value is x cube. Are you understand the students? So see the question number 2. So what is the question number 2 is? Integral 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square into dx. Integral 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square into dx. So see students, what I will take that. So this 4x square meaning is nothing but, what is that 4x square? 4x square you have to written as a x square form. So that meaning is you can written as a 2x whole square, yes or no? 4x square you can written in the form of 2x whole square. This 2x I will take a t. Or understand that? I will take the 2x is equal to t. So that meaning is first we will take that, put 2x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t, 2 into dx is equal to dt, 2 into x derivative 1 into dx is equal to dt. So that implies dx is equal to dt by 2. Dx value will become dt by 2. So take the problem. Let I is equal to integral 1 by root of 1 plus this 4x square you can written 2x whole square into dx. So see students, this 4x square I am written 2x whole square. So that is equal to integral 1 by root of 1 plus t square into dx, value it will become dt by 2. So how can you written that? 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by root of 1 plus t square into dt. 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. What is this form? This formula is nothing but, what is the formula is that? Anyone can tell that? Is in the form of integral of 1 by root of a square plus x square into dx. Yes or no? 1 is nothing but 1 square. Yes or no? 1 can be written as 1 square. It is in the form of a square plus x square. What is the formula is that? Anyone can tell that? So what is the formula? 1 by root of a square plus x square. That is nothing but log mod x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. Write down the formulas. So what is that formula is? Integral 1 by a square plus x square into dx, 1 by root of a square plus x square into dx is nothing but log mod x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. So that is nothing but, here we can take it as 1 by 2 into log mod x value is t plus root of 1 square plus t square plus c. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into log mod t. What is the t value is 2x. 2x plus root of 1 plus t square is nothing but 4x square. So see that question students. So 1 plus 4x square is given. First you have to take this 4x square, you can written 2x whole square. So take the 2x is equal to t. First we have to understand that one. So 2x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t, 2x derivative is 2 into dx is equal to dt. So dx value is nothing but a dt by 2. Take the problem, integral 1 by root of 1 plus 2x whole square into dx. So it is in the form of 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by x square plus a square or a square plus x square. What is the formula is? Log mod x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. So replace that 1 by 2 into log of mod t plus root of 1 square plus t square. What is the t value? T value is nothing but the 2x. So replace the value here. Log mod 2x plus root of 1 plus 2x square is nothing but the 4x square plus c. So see that question students. See the question number 3. So what is the question number 3? Integral 1 by root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 into dx. 2x square minus 1 whole square, integral of 1 by 2 minus x whole square plus 1 into dx. So see students, here it is easy to take that So what is the solution? We will get that. First you can take that, put 2 minus x is equal to t. First take 2 minus x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So 2 derivative is 0 minus x derivative is 1 into dx is equal to dt. That implies minus dx is equal to dt. So that implies dx is equal to minus dt. Dx value will become minus dt. So what is the problem? Let I is equal to, take the problem as I is equal to integral of 1 by root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 into dx. So this is integral of 1 by root of this value. What is this value? This value is nothing but the t square plus 1 square into dx value. Dx value is minus dt. So take the minus out, it will become integral of 1 by root of t square plus 1 square into dt. Same formula. What is the formula is? Once again we are repeating the same formula. What is that? Integral of dx by root of x square plus a square. X square plus a square. What is the formula? Log mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So it is in the form of x square plus a square. So what is that? Minus log mod t plus root of t square plus 1. So if you can apply this mod here, minus, if you can apply that, it will become 1 by x. Minus log x. Minus log x. What is the meaning of minus log x? So that is nothing but log of x power minus 1. So that is nothing but log 1 by x. Log 1 by x. So if you can apply this mod, it will become 1 by. So what happens? Log of mod 1 by t plus root of t square plus 1 plus c. Plus c. So in the place of t, you have to replace 2 minus x. So what happens, students? So that is equal to log of mod 1 by, in the place of t, replace 2 minus x. That meaning is 2 minus x plus root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. So expand that value, log of mod 1 by 2 minus x plus root of, expand that, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab is nothing but the 4x plus 1 plus c. So what happens? That is equal to log of 1 by 2 minus x plus root of x square minus 4x, x square minus 4x plus 5 plus c. Log of 1 by 2 minus x plus root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus c. So see, students, once again, so what we have to take that? First you have to take a 2 minus x is equal to t. So 2 minus x is equal to t. Dx value will become minus dt. Replace the value here. Minus dt by 1 by root of t square plus 1 square. T square plus 1 square. It is in the form of integral dx by x square plus a square. Integral dx by root of x square plus a square. So what is the formula? Log mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So minus log x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So minus log x. What is the minus log x? Minus log x can be written as log of 1 by x. Log of 1 by x. So log of 1 by x. What is this x value? Is t plus root of t square plus 1. In the place of t, replace 2 minus x. In the place of t, replace 2 minus x plus 2 minus x whole square plus 1. So 2 minus x plus root of, expand that value, a square plus b square minus 2ab, that value plus 1 is there. So simplify that, 2 minus x plus x square minus 4x, 4 plus 1 is the 5 plus c. See the next question, question number 4. What is the question number 4 is? Integral dx by root of 9 minus 25x square integral dx by root of 9 minus 25x square. So this 25x square you can written in the form of, how can you written that? 25x square you can written as a 5x whole square, yes or no? 25x square you can written as a 5x whole square. This 5x I will taken as a t. I understand that? So see the solution, students. So first what I will take that 5x is equal to t. 5x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. 5 into x derivative is 1 into dx is equal to dt. 5 into x derivative is 1 into dx is equal to dt. That implies dx is equal to dt by 5. Dx is equal to dt by 5. So take the problem. Let I is equal to integral of dx by root of 9 minus 25x square. You can written as 5x whole square. So that is equal to integral 1 by root of this 9 you can written as a 3 square, yes or no? This 9 you can written as a 3 square minus 5x. 5x is we are already taken as a t, so it will become t square into dx value. What is the dx value? Is dt by 5. So take the 5 out, it will become 1 by 5 into integral of 1 by root of 3 square minus t square into dt. So what is this formula is? What is this formula? Anyone can tell the formula? Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx. What is that? Sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a plus c. Sine inverse of x by a plus c. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into sine inverse of x value is t by 3 plus c. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into sine inverse of t. What is the t value? T value is nothing but a 5x. So it will become 5x by 3 plus c. So see that question, students. So first what we have to take that 5x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t. So 5 into x derivative 1, the dx value will become dt by 5. So take the problem. I is equal to integral of dx by 9 minus 5x square. So 9 can be written as a 3 square, and this 5x square automatically converted to t square, and the dx value will become dt by 5. So take this 1 by 5 out, integral of 1 by root of 3 square minus t square. 3 square minus t square into dt. What is the formula? Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx is nothing but sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a plus c. So see that question, students. See the question number 5. So integral of 3x by 1 plus 2x power 4 into dx. Integral of 3x by 1 plus 2x power 4 into dx. So this value also you have to written in the form of x square. So how can you written that? See this one, 2x power 4 you can written as root 2 into x square whole square. So this term you have to return in the form of x square, or understand that. So 2x power 4 I have written root 2 x square whole square. Expand that. Root 2 whole square is 2. X square whole square is x power 4, or understand that. So that's why I will take a root 2 x square as a t. So this term you can take it as a t, or understand that. So what is the solution? First you have to understand how to take the t value. You have to take this term as a square. So take the root 2 x square as a t. Okay. So first what we will take, that root 2 x square is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t, root 2 into x square derivative is 2x into dx is equal to dt. So that implies x into dx is equal to dt by 2 root 2. X into dx value, it will become dt by root 2. So take the problem, let I is equal to 3 into integral of x by 1 plus root 2 into x square whole square into dx. So what is the x value? What is the I value is? I am taking the 3 out first. X by 1 plus 2x power 4 you can write as a root 2 x square whole square. Root 2 x square whole square. So into dx. So what happens? 3 into integral of x into dx value is dt by root 2. So what is this problem will become? 1 plus t square into dt by 2 root 2. So take this 2 root 2 out, it will become 3 by 2 root 2 integral of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. So what is the formula? Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but the tan inverse x. So direct formula is that is 3 by 2 root 2 into tan inverse t plus c. Anyone have the doubt? Write on the formula. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Anyone have the doubt? Write on the formula at one side. So that is equal to 3 by 2 root 2 into tan inverse of, what is the t value? T value is nothing but root 2 x square. So root 2 x square plus c. So see that one. First you have to understand that what is the term you have to take as a square. So 2x power 4 you have to take 2x power 4 you can written in the form of root 2 x square whole square. Or understand that. So this root 2 x square you have to take as a t. See in the previous question 25x square. 25x square you can written as a 5x whole square. So that 5x you have to take as a t. Or understand that. So here also the same. So 2x power 4 you can written as a root 2 x square whole square. So that meaning is you can take the root 2 x square is equal to t. So x into dx value will become dt by 2 root 2. Substitute the value here. So 3 by 2 root 2 into integral of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. It is in the form of integral of dx by 1 plus x square. It is nothing but a tan inverse x plus c. So 3 by 2 root 2 into tan inverse t plus c. So that is equal to 3 by 2 root 2 into tan inverse of, what is the t value? T value is nothing but the root 2 x square. Root 2 x square. Replace the value plus c. Or understand students? So see that question. So we will continue in the next class.